And then they made it like 7% bigger.
We got here just in time.
No, they made each one like 1% bigger.
A whole blizzard. Oh shit.
When does you need to be 7%
bigger? Oh my god, you can barely see that. Okay. Yeah, it's playing. But you can barely see you can really see that. Never mind. That was gonna be a lot better. Cool.
Ringing all night.
Oh no.
I think it was from your room.
I just remember hearing like a couple alarms.
Yeah.
And then all of a sudden it was like, okay, I was already awake because that doesn't even matter. But it was like, I think 4 alarms were going off.
Yeah.
So this is crazy.
Who wants to wake up that badly?
Yeah. Yeah, we stayed here in this cold the entire night. Julian, Moira, Joey, Tenzin, and I. It's been really rough because it was cold the entire night, so barely any of us got sleep. I think I was the first one to knock out, but other than that, hasn't been too great. Yeah. Other than that, it's been pretty cold. We don't know how we're gonna get down from here, but yeah, because it's a blizzard and there's ice and there's a lot of snow, so we don't even know if we're gonna get airlifted out of here. But that's looking kind of rough. So yeah, it speaks for itself. But hopefully the next clip is like of us making it out of here. I think that would be where I will put my energy in. Yeah. This is madness. Oh shit. It is rough out here. Too rough. Akshay, jaldi aa. Amazing.
The best way to get the announcement in the background. Okay.
Alright.
You guys want some water? I'm okay with water right now.
This is so pretty. It's amazing. Even though the toughest trek ever that I think I've done so far. But it's fine. This has been the best Christmas vacation ever, honestly. Yeah. Wait, Julian, you're actually you're eating the snow. I guess it's fresh. True, this is insane. Me?
Quick 0.5.
Good, quick 0.5. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. Okay, we did it.
Okay, like everyone's eyes are closed, no one's faces are.
That's okay.
It's fine. Oh man. Yeah, katana. Oh, shit.
Compared to other swords, it would be better.
Yes. Yeah. A little bit more. We made it. We made it.
Look at what I took the first time. This is so bad. I took
Oh,
a
that's
video
really-
somehow.
Oh, shit.
I don't know what happened.
We made it. Oh, we did that.
Wow.
How'd you guys feel?
I feel like
amazing.
Awesome.
My pants held out for so long, but the water has reached.
Oh my gosh.